Hello, it's Elena here, just coming back from class. I had a 3-hour course tonight for my human development class. I am beyond excited right now. I found out I'm going to get lots of help for the coming semester for summer, so I am going to go ahead and take on 6 classes. Everyone thinks I'm probably cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs, but I'm excited. I'm so happy and I'm so grateful that God has blessed me the way He has. Because if it wasn't for all the bad that I went through, I don't think I would have accepted and been so grateful for all the good that I have now. So I'm really happy, I'm thankful, I'm excited, and I'm just ready to receive even more from the universe. God has so much in store for me, and I'm so grateful. You know, it's March 4th today, and I've received so many awesome gifts. You know, I'm about to get a scholarship for school. I've gotten financial aid. I've gotten all this extra money that I didn't know was like able to come to me just for being a good person, you know, doing well in school and just being such a loving person. People just tend to do more for you. So this inspirational dreamer is very excited, and I just had to share this moment because I'm leaving school and I'm like on top of the world, all this really great news, and I get to move on to my bachelor's program now, and you know, everything's paid for. I don't have to worry about a thing, and I'm just so grateful to God. I don't have to, you know, physically work at a job. I can just work on my business, Inspirational Dreamers, and continue to, you know, help others. And I hope this inspires you. You know, maybe you're thinking about going back to school or something like that. Hey, it's worth it. You know, it's worth it. Think positive thoughts, and in the end, amazing things can come from positivity. Amazing things can come from one small dream, one small hope or wish or thought that you have like in your mind, and that's what happened to me. That's been happening to me. So anyway, I just wanted to share this awesome news because it just inspires me to keep wishing for more and bigger and better things, you know. It just makes me really believe that, you know, I am going to have all these things, and all these things are happening because I am a good person who shares, who donates, who gives so much of myself and my heart, and, you know, I want to inspire others. So this is just another moment in an inspirational dreamer's life, and I am so glad that this is happening and I can share it. Have a wonderful night.